we'll guide you through how to change name of the Notion space. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. First, navigate to your computer desktop and take a moment to locate the Google Chrome shortcut icon among the icons displayed on your screen. Once you have found it, move your mouse cursor directly over the shortcut and double-click it to launch the browser. Wait a little bit while Google Chrome starts up and finishes loading completely. After the browser is ready to use, look toward the center of the screen and find the search bar. Click on the search bar if necessary, then type notion.com carefully and press enter on your keyboard to visit the website. Allow the page to load fully before continuing. When the Notion website appears, direct your attention to the top right area of the page. Look for the Open Notion button and click it once to enter your workspace. Give the website a few moments to load the Notion dashboard completely before moving to the next step. Next, take a look at the top left corner of the screen where your current workspace name is displayed. Click on the workspace name to open a drop-down menu containing several options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Settings option and click it once. A Settings pop-up window will then appear on your screen. Inside this window, navigate to the menu located on the left side and look for the General section. Once you find it, click General using the left mouse button. After opening the General page, take a look at the Workspace Settings section. Find the text box located under Workspace Name and click inside it. Delete the old workspace name completely, then type your new workspace name. For example, how to change name of the Notion space. After entering the new name, move your cursor to the Save button located beside the text box and click it once to apply the change. Finally, close the Settings pop-up by clicking the X button on the box. Then look at the top left corner of the screen and confirm that the new workspace name is now displayed successfully.